This is the part where Sasha first swings. Besides, this is Tuesday after school.
Okay, now I'm not holding on, Abby.
Let's go to the side now.
Is this something?
She's stomping
Black
it.
cat.
Yeah.
She loves going for a swing.
Yeah, nothing like a swing a day. Woohoo! Come join the next episode of Sasha Kitty.